I'm Lana Dodds. I am the Health Information Management Director at Story County Medical.
My name is Danielle Goyams, and I took the medical billing and coding class in 2023. From beginning to end, it was amazing. From the lady at the front desk to the lady who was the coordinator, to my teacher, the ladies in the class that I took, it was a great experience. Yeah, I would recommend it to anyone. Even though I haven't started working yet, I plan to, and I don't think that, that you should hold yourself back just because maybe you can't get a job right away.
I wasn't sure that I was going to do that, but as I got the job, like I stated earlier, it just flourished from there. I learned, and I took the time to take courses to be able to get myself knowledgeable to understand what I was managing. And with the education that I had pursued, it just kept drawing me in and said, this is where the future's going and this is where I want to be.
I arrived at this spot by, I saw there was a demand for the for the job, and it had opportunities to be able to stay at home, and I have elderly parents that need care once in a while, so I took it.
You're going to go ahead and you're going to take a record. A patient comes into the hospital or the clinic. As a coder and a biller, you're going to review that record. You're going to tear it apart. You're going to look at the story at what happened. Your job is to be able to find out what the problem was, why are they here, and what was the resolution provided by the provider. So you're going to go ahead and use your resources that you have, whether it's software, books, and you're going to put a code on that. That code will distinguish a diagnosis or a treatment of service code, will then go onto the billing side, which will then finish the process, send that out for claim payment, and then the process is done. My advice to someone taking the medical billing and coding class is to definitely do their research, but also know what's involved in it. There are things out there without doing your research that you might not know that, oh, I didn't know that was something we could do in that field. Also networking with individuals that are in the field, talking to other coworkers, and definitely look at certifications, look what's involved, see what it takes to get that done. Is that something you really want to put your time into?
The only advice that I would have to give someone when taking the medical billing and coding class would be to take medical terminology, either with the class or before the class. You are learning a whole new language, and being that bridge between insurance and the medical, it's nice to be able to recognize those words and know what the anatomy is that they're talking about.